morning, so I hope you're doing well, eh? Hey, 754, Mr. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. 754, Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck by Disneyland there. All the best to you, Ralph. Have a good trip, over. Sounds like they're all coming into you there, Rich, over. Yeah, can't complain, mate, can't complain. Weekend off, mate, couple of days of rest, so good to hear a bit of propagation out there. You're 5 and 9, Rich, a beautiful copy at the moment, of it. I'm sorry, you better pump it up out there. What's going on, Eli? Hey, good on you there, Rich. Yeah, just had the prayers key up there, man. Mr. Eli, long time no hear. But you take care, 149. Good to hear out there with such good signal for this time of the morning. It's just after 6:30 in the morning here. A little bit of wind around. It's been windy for the last couple of days, so we've sort of been watching the antenna very carefully, because yeah, the wind's still blowing down here. Anyway, you take care, Rich. Thanks for coming back. 149, 351, saying good day, and all the best to you too, Eli. Good to hear you out there as well, there, Mr. President. Hey, that's it, Rich. Yeah, we're starting to get warmer every day. I know every day it's getting a little bit warmer, so getting closer to summertime. I think we might be in for a very hot summer. They're predicting a pretty hot summer. I think it's going to be hot and dry, but anyway, we'll just have to wait it out and see what happens this summertime there, Rich. Over. Yeah, and the funny thing is, you go down southwest a little bit from here, Rich, it's snowing. Believe it or not, there's the snow season is very active down here at the moment. You know, there's a lot of snowfall down on the snowy mountains. So yeah, good coverage of snow for anybody that wants to go to the snow there, Roger. QSL, mate, yeah. Yeah, well, it's, mate, it's just all over the place. The weathers have been all over the place down here. So some days we get 4 seasons in one day. Yesterday we had the wind, and then in the afternoon the cloud came in, so we had a bit of rain. It was just all over the place yesterday there, Richard.